My beautiful and amazing people, where una dey make una come out o, make una come hear matter. Dey say no be to be elder make you get white bear, make you come get plenty age, na im be the koko o. Shey you wey be elder you get sense? Omo guys, no be small thing o. God of Regina Daniel don dey disgrace Ipa left, right, front, back and center. Even him, he never believe a day like this will come. Una remember say the Senate President in person of Godswill Akpabio bin tell Ipa say dat Anioma state wey im wan create, say for now it should be on hold because of one or two reasons. Carry Ibanke, to be precise, join for inside the Anioma state wey im wan create, because according to law say that if you want to create a state, e get some certain numbers wey the state go reach for it to come to stand. Now, Ipa wey dey desperate, wey really want the Anioma state to be created, come go carry Ibanke come join for the Anioma state. So when they were now doing their investigation, so you come to their notice say Ipa go carry another community go join for the Anioma state. Now we all know say no be to carry another community join for inside na im be the koko. Delta state already stand on its own, wey be say their headquarter dey for Warri. Now im come say this Anioma state now, if im do am, the headquarter go dey for Asaba, of which people are happy, say no problem, let's forge ahead. And Regina Daniel was the one initiate the idea. Na she bring about the whole matter together, wey dey talk say the brain behind the idea, na she start am. Of which, as she start am, the women wey she be introduced to them, say see their intention, they were very very happy to carry Regina Daniel as their own and to make her their first lady if the thing come to stay. Because if they create the Anioma state now, and na Ipa na im be the person wey create am, definitely he will become the governor of the Anioma state. Nobody fit collect that one from im hand. No, nothing like say go come. Automatically he becomes the governor of the Anioma state. So even if he fail as a senator for the second time, he go become governor. So it's a win-win. Struggle continues, and you know how many years that is? 4 plus 4 na e go be 8 years. Na e go still serve as a governor of the Anioma state. So he was really eager and was so happy that Regina Daniel brought this idea, of which he don dey pursue am no be today. E don tey wey he don dey pursue am dey come. Now wey the thing wan actualize, na Regina Daniel come comot from the picture. Okay, as she comot from the picture, because of say Ipa don already dey good at collecting wetin no be im own. You know say as Regina Daniel come out come talk say Ipa don collect people land o, then the people even dey cry, they dey talk on daily basis. But Ipa, anyone wey im wan silent, he go just go behind, go silent them. He no go allow them talk. Dem be talk say na lie. Im brother too come out come talk am say im brother collect, which is that im brother wey dey call Charles. That one too talk say Chuks abi na Charles. He say Ipa dey collect people land, of which a lot of people that time come out come confirm and say true Ipa collect people land, all in the name of say he wan use am build big factory where he go employ so many youths, make dem come work, instead of say make dem dedicate all their time for farm. Of which they were happy. Time reach, Ipa turn am to im own personal land. He no build the factory, he no do the things wey im talk say he wan use the land do. So women wey been carry the land give am come say talk, as dem no use am do the factory, make dem come dey farm put. Ipa fence am, do am. He do am in a way wey be say dem no fit access am. They come dey cry say talk, now you no do the factory again, abeg give us our land. Ipa no gree. They come allege say im come dey catch them one after the other, of which Omoyele Sowore also confirm at that time say Ipa dey catch people on top of land matter, of which when Sowore talk am, he still come draw press release saying that he no collect am by force, say it was duly paid for. say there was never a time wey im collect the land by fire by force. Na then the women na im give am and im pay them. And the women say they no pay them. Say na im just dey volunteer give am based on say wetin im say im wan use am build. My people, that one no be even be the bone of contention here. The women are very happy that they want to create the Anioma state based on Regina Daniel initiative as she been enter them. As she dey kukuma they do give away. You know, say they say the way to a man's heart is through wetin you give and chop. So as she dey feed them well, she dey do all her possible best. They empower the women. They do so many things. They love her so much, and they say they are okay. They are happy making her their first lady. So when Regina Daniel come up for the picture, lot of things started going down. The one wey come pain Ipa pass na when im come get opponent now. You know, say when Regina Daniel say im be one-time senator, people think say na joke. Omo, no be joke o. Now as Regina Daniel come up from the picture, Mama Regina Daniel come dey support Okowa. Okowa wey dey come now, come dey tell the people say make dem no gree o, make dem no gree for any creation of Anioma state. Mama Regina Daniel too come dey support the Okowa, say make dem no gree for any creation of Anioma state. And as if that was not enough, say person fit just talk, if e no go come to pass, make dem talk, they go enter house. But na lie o. All of them now put together don dey shout say they don't want Anioma state. They don't want Anioma state. They don't want Anioma state because Okowa and the support of Mama Regina Daniel now, they shout say they don't want any Anioma state. They are okay for their Delta state wey dem dey like that. Make dem no share anything, make dem no divide anything. For person wey be say he arrest im in-law because of say woman say she no do again, say how are they going to be safe? Say if dem do something, na be say police station go dey cry. Then we be say they be farmer where they want dey get money to go dey pay themselves for court matter, for police station matter, say they no want again. Now, according to the Senate, person can't go hint Ipa say since na Regina Daniel, because they be write am down when they be start the creation, when im be they start they talk about the creation, say the idea he been talk am, he still write am down. Say the idea was coming from his wife Regina Daniel. We make am one of the reason we make it they always they go all the Senate meeting with Regina Daniel that time. He told them there that it was all her idea. Now somebody from the Senate there come tell Ipa say he go advise that he should go and look for Regina Daniel and bring Regina Daniel as the head behind this idea. He should bring her and look for a way to settle their differences with her so that she can help him convey the people. Since the people's choice na the Regina Daniel, the people's hearts dey with her and she carry lot of grace. He should look for a way to settle with her and let them forgive themselves. He should publicly, anything what Regina Daniel say she wants, make him do am. But first of all, make him publicly come apologize to Regina Daniel. That way, he go first of all win her heart for her to have access to say she wants see am or she no wants see am. Because if I let the person know say Regina Daniel at this point in time no wants see am, she dey run away from am. She say she no wan get anything to do with her. So now the person can't give an idea say if by the time when he publicly apologize, he can now win her heart to know where she is for him to have access to her so that they can discuss, even if it is for contract purpose, or he won't give her an appointment, even if they no marry as husband and wife again, of which Ipa can say to him go try him best. Now to shock una, the story where it is sweet be say, una know say when Regina Daniel dey for Ipa house, people bin dey yab her say, come, you wey marry this man, wetin you don achieve? See side chicks, dem dey outside, allegedly, their chika ike dem dey outside, they dey achieve, they do so many things, they buy house, buy car, they even give them money to open business. You, wetin you don use Ipa money do? Abi you just dey for that house, dey waste? Wetin you don really do? Show us. Oh, chai, she dey suffer o. Ipa really stingy o. This, that. Not knowing say Regina Daniel don get house already for Asaba. She get house for Asaba. They say no be small house. House wey be say e get lot of things, goodies, both swimming pool. They say no be small mansion na she mount for there. Apart from the one where they talk say Ipa give him mama, where the Ipa bin dey talk say he won't pursue him mama come up from inside. Regina Daniel bin just dey laugh because she know to say even if them comot him mama for that one, she get the one way bigger than. So after she come out from hospital, she can't go there According to the information, say before Regina Daniel fell sick, before she was admitted, which she spent how many days for hospital, she dey for location set. She gather people wey dem dey shoot. Una know say she say na back to back she wan dey give us as e dey hot now. Say she don get her own YouTube channel where she go dey drop movies back to back. So she been dey for location set before she finally fall sick. So as she don regain herself, she come call them back. So on this particular day where God save Regina Daniel, na for that her Asaba house na im she gather those people. Dem dey shoot oo. They don finish, you know now as entertainment dey be, they don finish their scene. They come sit down, dey relax. They say dem even kpai goat, dem do pepper soup, some do barbecue. They dey chop, dey enjoy as location dey always dey sweet as usual. Na im dey say from nowhere, car just come enter inside the gate. According to the information now, the car wey enter, Regina Daniel don peep from window, see am say, na Ipa car be this one now. Before she go call security house say, how come they allow Ipa enter inside this place? And how did Ipa get to know that she is here? How did he get to know? They think about that one. Before she go call securities, in already park. They consent say, make them call Regina Daniel. Not knowing say, the security man tell Regina Daniel say, which is Ipa tell the security man say na Regina Daniel because he no come with bodyguard, he no come with anybody, he no come with driver, na only him come. He say na Regina Daniel say make him come. He no see say na only him na him come. He no come with anybody. Say na Regina Daniel say make him come, only him. So make they open gate for her. They don't open. And the security again say him call Regina as Ipa talk that thing. Him come they call Regina Daniel. Regina no pick because you know say even they on set, they always put their phone on silent. Make person no come call. He can't distract the film where they shoot. So if she no pick, na him allow him enter. As Regina Daniel come see and she was so disappointed and pained, she now have to come outside. The next thing we go come from Regina Daniel mouth, immediately she come outside. Now she called the security man. How dare you? Who told you to open the gate for this man? Did you take permission from me? Now the security man say him call her, she no pick. And he tell and say, na Regina Daniel say make him come and him come all alone. So he believed him because he did not come with any security, nothing. So he believed say maybe they get personal talk wey no wan involve anybody. Now make him allow her enter. Now they say Regina Daniel instantly she face Ipa, start to disgrace am. How dare you lie upon me? Why would you tell the security man that I asked you to come? And what are you now doing here? Why are you trailing me? Why are you pursuing me? Leave me the hell alone. My mom have told you, come and collect your bride price. Una know say, na that one I dey reign now. Ipa say, me mama Regina Daniel return the bride price wey him pay for her own head the day when him come marry Regina Daniel. Where the brother talk and say, Ipa pay, they put 2 canopy for Regina Daniel mama compound that day. They pay for mama Regina head, come still pay for Regina Daniel head. So as the drama now they say, Ned Woko say me Regina Daniel mama bring in bride price and Regina Daniel should be there. Now Regina come provoke say if na because of that one you come, my mom will give you your bride price. She will do this, she will do that. Leave me the hell alone. Leave my family alone. You are a this, you are a that. How dare you? How this? And different talks. Now she just dey talk here and there. She just dey talk here and there, no stop. Na so Regina Daniel start dey badger and left, right, front, back and center without freedom. You no fit even talk anything. Before you know, now she tell the securities because Regina Daniel, securities tight for where she dey. She no use security play at all, even if she no get anything for this life. You see that securities, she no use them play. Now she order her security say, if this man no comot here now, with immediate effect, say make dem do am anything wey dem wan do am. Na so Ipa take enter inside in car because e don dey turn to embarrassment. E don dey turn to a thing of shame. Say e hold him. Na Regina Daniel dey order out like this. Na so Ipa take enter inside in car, drive out. My people, no be small thing o. Now, I didn't mean Regina Daniel no be the brain behind, or she no really carry this man destiny. Don't you think by now him for don add another leg to him leg? Because you know say him bin go national TV talk and say him dey blame men wey go marry second wife, wey go dey stay for one woman hand. They no marry second wife. Him dey blame them. Say imagine you standing on one leg. Now ever since Regina Daniel comot, now how many months now? E no fit replace that leg wey don comot, e still dey find the leg dey go. The same leg wey dey talk say e be druggy, dey scare for im life, the same leg na im still dey find dey go. No be juju be that. My people, una see this life, just sha get grace and make you dey very prayerful and make you come get the one wey you dey do, so that by the time your haters, your enemies wan bring you down yakata, e go come be say last last na you come later win, na you stand strong, because na the matter be this so. And Iyoma state no get head. Even the senate second coming, e no get head, because opponents don stand and people are standing for the opponent, even knowing fully well say this opponent no be say im clear like that o, but dem still choose him over Ned Nwoko o. My people, oh, it is getting more interesting. I say make I come drop am for una as e dey hot o. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, na me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.